Hello everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2014 Nissan Murano Platinum. This beautiful four-door all-wheel drive SUV comes with projection style headlights. It has fog lights and a block heater. Under the hood is a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It is an automatic transmission as well. It comes on a set of Toyo tires on 20-inch rims. This Nissan Murano comes with a proximity key. You can lock and unlock the vehicle. You can open the power lift gate, as well as there is a panic button. Just make sure that you have this key on your person, and you can lock and unlock the vehicle by the push of a button. It does also come with an aftermarket command start. Up here on the roof of the vehicle, you see that it does have installed roof racks. Perfect for strapping down any extra cargo that you might need. Alright, having a look here on the driver's side door panel, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. You see that the driver's seat is powered as well. And as a nice surprise, the passenger seat has power seats as well. Beautiful beige leather seating throughout the interior of this vehicle. And just before I get in, I want to show you that it does have memory seat function. You're able to set 2 different seat configurations for you and another driver of this vehicle. Alright, now that we're sitting inside this Nissan Murano, let's start her up. Alright, as I mentioned, it is a 2014. It has 40,436 kilometers on it. Actually, we're going to keep going here. So if you want to control what you see on the dash, that's going to be these buttons here along the side. And along the other side here, you are able to control the brightness and dimness of the lights on the dash. Backing up here, having a look at the steering wheel. You see that it does have hands-free Bluetooth talking for your cell phone, volume control. You're able to control the source, so flip between different radio stations. Here you have your cruise control. Alright, so having a look at down here to the left of the steering wheel, we do have a few buttons that I will go through with you. First one here is our heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. It does have a power lift gate, so you're able to open it from this button here. This is the gas cap release button. Right here, you're able to turn traction control off. You are able to turn the power lift gate off if you'd like, so on or off here. And I had to do a little bit of exploring because there is a lot of bells and whistles in this vehicle. But these buttons here are pretty cool because they lift the back seat. So when you fold down the back seat, you lift them up back into seat position with these buttons here. I will show you in the back when we go look back there, but it's pretty cool what this vehicle has capabilities of. Alright, so I do apologize that the lighting here isn't great in this position, but we do have 2 air vents on either side of the screen. This is a touch screen. Right now it's showing the FM radio station, so I will control it from this part right here, as well as this part right here does control things on the screen as well. So we'll go through what we have. We have AM and FM. We do have satellite radio. It's not enabled at the moment, but you just have to give them a call and you can sign up for it. It does have a CD player, which is located right here for you. It does have the 6 preset buttons for your radio stations. Here's the volume on-off button, as well as the tuning dial. Having a look right here, we do have a number of buttons. We do have map or navigation. You are able to hook up your Bluetooth phone. You are able to zoom in and out on the screen, namely on the map here. Kind of hard to see with the light, but you can see that there is a lovely map. So going down here to the heating and cooling area, we do have dual climate controls. So this is the driver's control, this is the passenger's. We do have AC as well as different modes you can flip through. Having a look down here to the front of the gear shift, you do have all-wheel drive lock. You do have heated leather front seats for the driver and the passenger. As I mentioned, it is an automatic transmission. We do have a storage compartment right here, which is nicely hidden away, as well as 2 handy cup holders for you, also nicely hidden away. Kind of gives it that executive feeling with the imitation wood looking design here. We do have our center armrest here, and it does have storage in there as well as storage underneath. So there's 2 buttons here that you flip between. Looks like you are able to set up possibly a TV or something along those lines there. And it does have a 12-volt outlet down there as well. Alright, so having a look up here at the ceiling of the vehicle, we do have a handy sunglasses holder for you, as well as some push interior lights. You are able to set it so that the lights go on or off with the door opening, depending on how you want it. And it does have a dual sunroof. There we go. So we're going to just open it from here. Have a look. So there's the one here above the driver and passenger, and another up here above your backseat passengers. And if you give it a push, it does tilt the windows for you. Alright, so we are now in the back seat of this 2014 Nissan Murano Platinum. It does have power windows for your backseat passengers, as well as heated leather seats back here for them as well. So we do have a nice, well, it's not a vinyl kick plate per se, but it is a harder substance than the leather. So for any feet that like to kick, it does have the knee indents for tall passengers as well as the map holders, and this same goes for on the back of the passenger seat. So if we have a look down here, we have some great storage here. If you have any kids, lots of toys can fit in there. Beautiful beige leather seating in the back here. We do have the raised center armrest as well as 2 cup holders. So yeah, lots going on back here for your backseat passengers. If you want to fold down the seats, you are able to do that very easily by pulling on this toggle, and there's another one located on the other side there. Just give it a pull, and the seat comes down nice and easy for you. And let's go have a look at the back. Alright, so coming around to the back of this Nissan Murano. Something I did forget to mention because there was so much to go through up front is it does come equipped with a handy backup camera, as you can see right here, for you to use. I do apologize for missing that detail while I was up front. Alright, so this is a power lift gate, so you're going to go to the Nissan symbol, you're going to reach underneath here. There we go. Sorry, just over to the right a little bit. You will feel a little rectangular bump. You're going to give that a push, and then you're going to step back. You can also open the power lift gate from the key fob that I showed you, as well as from the button to the left of the steering wheel. So having a look in the back of this SUV is a little bit interesting because it does have this privacy shade here across the back. So you are able to pull and lock that. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. But you are able to have it sitting across your back seat, back trunk area. And that's useful because it prevents eyes from seeing what's back there. So we do have some storage in here as well. Lots going on in this vehicle. I'm hoping to cover everything. Make sure you come down to Sherwood Park Hyundai and take this vehicle out for a test drive, and you can really have a good look at all of the bells and whistles in the back of this. We do have a 12-volt outlet. Okay, so as I mentioned, it is here. I'm just going to crawl into the back and show you. So there is lots of storage room in the back here. So this can be removed, this privacy shade. Can't really do it with one hand, so just take my word for it. One of our sales associates will show you how it's done. So yeah, lots of room here. And if you look right there, you see this lever here folds down the back seats. So same as that toggle, you give it a pull like this, and it will flip down the back seats, so you don't need to go over to the side door to do that. And then to flip them back up, there's the buttons to the left of the steering wheel like I showed you, and there's also this button here. So I'm going to pull on that. Look at that. So cool. Lifts it up. There we go. And then, sorry, I'm just kind of crawling out here. We have another one on this side right here. We're going to do the same thing. Look at this. So cool. There we go. Nice and easy. Your back seat is ready again for some back passengers. And just a quick little note here. Easy push to close button. Push that and it does close and latch automatically for you. Alright, so we are just finishing up this vehicle walk around of this 2014 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive SUV. As you could hear from me explaining it to you, it does have like a ton of bells and whistles. Lots of stuff in here. Perfect for long road trips or driving around the city. You're able to fit a lot of stuff in this SUV, and your passengers will be ridiculously comfortable. Come on down to Sherwood Park Hyundai. Take this SUV out for a test drive. Make sure you have a good explore of all of the interior so you can see everything that this SUV is capable of. I'm confident that you'll love it so much that you'll take it home and park it right on your driveway.